Welcome. In this video, I'm comparing top DIY security systems. All product links are down in the description. Note they're Amazon affiliate links which may earn me a small commission at no extra cost to you. Let's dive in. First up, the flagship from Ring the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. This set is seriously robust. Base station, keypad, contact sensors, motion detectors, and a range extender. It snaps right into the Ring ecosystem and works with Alexa, which is a huge win if you're already rocking a smart home. Here's what stands out. It plays nicely with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can expand it with cameras, smart locks, lights, even video doorbells. There's an optional professional monitoring service called Virtual Security Guard. And, if you're watching your budget, SafeWise, Security.org, and even the New York Post all call it the best budget-friendly choice this year. On the plus side, you get a comprehensive kit. 14 different pieces means you'll cover all your entry points and all your bases. The app is easy to use, and if you want to add more, you're not locked in. Start small or go big, your call. On the downside, the monitoring plan structure, it can get a bit confusing, especially if you're new to home security. And, just so you know, the camera options aren't the most advanced out there. Plus, no HomeKit support, which is a miss if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. Bottom line, if your home is Alexa-centric and you want solid DIY protection that expands with you, Ring is a great pick. Next up, SimpliSafe. This one's all about flexibility. DIY kits start around $250. Choose between self-monitoring or professional dispatch. No long-term contracts required. Experts and users both give it high marks. Highlights? Monitoring is optional and affordable at $21.99 a month. The hardware includes a battery backup and both cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity, so even if your power or internet goes out, your system keeps working. Their Active Guard outdoor protection means real-time professional response through your cameras, and people love the app. It's rated 4.5 on Google Play and 4.8 on the App Store. Pros: it's affordable, there's award-winning customer service, and the app is smooth and intuitive. I also like the advanced security features. Active Guard lets real people intervene if something's going down at your place. Plus, the base station keeps working during outages. Cons: limited smart home integration. It doesn't play with HomeKit, and Alexa or Google support is pretty basic. The camera lineup is smaller than Ring's, and most smart features need a subscription. SimpliSafe is ideal for homeowners wanting no contracts, real-time monitoring, and serious reliability thanks to that cellular backup. Last but not least, the Abode IOTA all-in-one security kit. If you're an Apple HomeKit superfan or want local control, this is for you. It's got Alexa, Google, and HomeKit compatibility plus local processing. You can choose pro monitoring or just run it yourself. No contract. The kit comes with a built-in camera, motion sensor, keypad, and siren, and you can add door, glass break, or water sensors as needed. Pros: it's got the widest smart home compatibility. IFTTT, Zigbee, Z-Wave, you name it. The app is free and you're not forced into a subscription for basic monitoring. Plus, it can run locally for maximum privacy and reliability, and the hardware bundle is rock solid. Cons: customer service ratings are a bit lower and the Android app scores just 2.8 on Google Play. Cloud features and pro monitoring get pricey compared to SimpliSafe. Abode IOTA is best for smart home power users, especially if you want HomeKit support and local first control. And that's our top 3 DIY home security systems of 2025. The Ring Alarm 14-piece is perfect if you want an Alexa-connected smart home with a strong camera lineup and expansion potential. SimpliSafe offers the best value, award-winning support, optional professional monitoring, and strong reliability features, especially that cellular backup. Abode IOTA is the go-to pick for HomeKit users and those who value local control and modular smart home integration. Which one fits your home best? Thanks for watching. Hit that link in the description to grab your Ring Alarm kit. I may earn a small commission. Thank you.